Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Born Shikshak. I am Saurav Hooker and today's video we will study about the nitrogen cycle. So let's start. Nitrogen gas comprises 78% of our atmosphere. The nitrogen gas cannot be taken directly by plants or animals for their growth. In order to take nitrogen gas, it has to be first converted into nitrogen compounds. The process of conversion of nitrogen gas into nitrogen compounds is called nitrogen fixation. The nitrogen gas is free nitrogen, whereas nitrogen compounds are fixed nitrogen. The nitrogen gas is fixed by some bacteria present in soil, by rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodules of leguminous plants, by lightning, and by blue-green algae. Rhizobium bacteria is present in the root nodules of leguminous plants. Rhizobium bacteria has symbiotic relationship with leguminous plants. Rhizobium bacteria fixes nitrogen gas and convert it into nitrogen compounds and give it to leguminous plants. In return, leguminous plants provide food and shelter to rhizobium bacteria. Thus some bacteria are present in soil and others rhizobium bacteria are present in root nodules of leguminous plants. Nitrogen is also fixed by lightning. How is it so? When lightning strikes during thunderstorm, high temperature is produced in the atmosphere. During the high temperature, nitrogen gas combines with oxygen gas, which leads to formation of nitrogen compounds. These nitrogen compounds dissolve in rainwater and fall on earth and go into soil. Next we discuss about the nitrogen cycle. The atmospheric nitrogen gas is fixed by nitrogen fixing bacteria, by blue-green algae, and by lightning, and convert them into compounds of nitrogen which go into soil. Plants absorb these compounds of nitrogen and convert them into plant proteins and other organic compounds which make up their body. Animals eat plants as food. Animals convert plant proteins into animal proteins and other organic compounds. Some animals eat other animals to get nitrogen compounds from them. Thus, animals get nitrogen compounds from plants as well as by eating other animals. When plants and animals die, the nitrogen compounds are there in their dead bodies. These nitrogen compounds are converted into simple compounds by some bacteria and fungi present in the soil. Similarly, the excretions of animals are converted into simple compounds. These simple compounds are then passed to soil and they are used by new plants for their growth and development. Some compounds of nitrogen are converted into nitrogen gas by denitrifying bacteria. The nitrogen gas is then passed to atmosphere. The nitrogen gas is then used for nitrogen fixation and this cycle is repeated again and again. By nitrogen cycle, the percentage of nitrogen in atmosphere remains constant. Now we have understood about nitrogen cycle. So now we will define it. The circulation of nitrogen element through living things, plants and animals, and non-living environment, air, soil and water is called nitrogen cycle in nature. So this was all about nitrogen cycle. I hope you liked the video. For more such videos and study material, please subscribe my YouTube channel Born Shikshak and also do not forget to like and share my video. Thanks for watching.